Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther and I'm going to show you how to make this flower. Make sure you're on the fill. Let's select the color from the swatches. I'm going to go with this blue. And if you have some color on the stroke, make sure to click on none. So it's going to disappear, and click back on the fill. So the fill is going to be on the top. Long click on the rectangle tool. It basically should be like this. Long click and select the ellipse tool. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle. From here, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or go to Edit and paste in front. This is going to create another copy on the front of the circle. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it down a little. Let's select another color. I'm gonna go with this pink. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold Shift, pull it down, almost where they touch each other, somewhere around this place. And I'm gonna press and hold Shift and scale it down even more, this one, somewhere around here. Select both, go to Object, click on Blend and click on Make. And as you can see, it created this beautiful gradient effect. In your case, if you don't have this kind of gradient effect, then double click here on the blend tool, double click, select specified steps and type in at least 200. Okay, and this way it is going to create a lot of copies until it's going to be a gradient. Okay, I'm gonna scale this down, create a new copy, press and hold Alt, drag it down, press also Shift until they intersect right here. Press and hold Shift, rotate this until the pink is going to be here. Select both, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, or go to Edit, paste in front. Press and hold Shift, rotate it once, twice. Select all of these, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F again. Press and hold Shift and rotate it once. Okay, select them all. And now go to the transparency, which is located here. If you don't have the transparency, go to Windows and select transparency, which is on the bottom. Go here and let's select the lighten. And with the lighten, we achieve this beautiful effect. So yeah, mainly this is it, how you do it. Yeah, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the other videos. Have a good one. Bye bye.